Today we're going to show you how easy it is to swap out your shower head. This one is leaking like the heavens. So we ordered this one off of Amazon, but this one has a special little pressure washer hose in it that we can use to help clean. So it's also a really good, having a handheld shower is fantastic for cleaning the shower, but if we have some pressure, especially for those of you guys who have shower tracks, this is gonna be a game changer. Okay, we're gonna read the instructions. I have some Waterman's pliers here, and I just wanna show you guys before you start ripping your bathroom apart. You don't wanna just like go and grab onto anything. You'll bend or scratch the out of your faucet. So you can wrap it with some electrical tape just to soften the blow. I unscrewed this thing. Step one. So this is coming off. Oh, and here's the tape we're gonna have to take off and replace ourselves. Just like we're real plumbers. So the shower kit came with some Teflon tape, and I've taken the old stuff off. And we're gonna start with some new. You don't wanna make it too thick because we need the new shower head to screw on. So I'm going to put this on first, and it says hand tighten only. It says I can use something to tighten it after, but for now we wanna do this before. Okay. And notice how we ordered so that the chrome matched what she had going on in the bathroom, the other fixtures, see? Okay, so just another layer of the Teflon tape before I attached the second piece, which is like, I think part of the hose. Came with these little washers, and you have to put them in each piece before you screw it on. This is the top piece. I can spin this around so it comes to the bottom, which would probably, that's how it's supposed to be, okay. Now we're at the final stages. I'm going to put this on, but again, another washer into this. Push it to the bottom so that it'll screw all the way on. Okay. Like really, I lived in my other house for 4 years and just complained about not having a handheld like fixture. Granted, I built that house, so I was just really dumb. That was before I owned the cleaning company, and I just complained every single day about having to dunk the glass when I cleaned it. And normally I could, and if I was the woman that I am now, I would have just changed the shower head so that I would have had a handle and a rain shower. Like this thing is like 25 or 30 bucks. It would have saved me a lot of headaches. And it's from Amazon. I'll link it in the description for you guys. It also, see this little hose? We're gonna test this because this is the little pressure washer shower cleaner hose. That's why I picked it. Do we have any leaks, people? No? Zoom in. Now let's try the pressure washer situation. Oh my God, that's amazing. So imagine like cleaning your oven grates or whatever, like something that you put in the tub, a playpen, a high chair or whatever, and being able to hose it off like this. Oh my God. What? Oh my God. If you had shower tracks, look at this. It also came with this piece if you had like a spliced shower head, because some people have, I have that at my house, like one's a rain shower and then I have a side. So this little thing you can put onto the wall and then you can hook it on there too. But we're using this as a regular shower head. And anyways, that took 10 minutes, and don't be a Sarah like I was and complained about it for 4 years when I could have just replaced it myself. But you know what? You live, you learn. I've learned a lot of things in 4 years. So now I would totally replace that. Simple and easy.